I went out on the Wapsipinicon River today with one goal: to catch a fish I haven't landed in years. I hit a few different spots along the river, and it didn't take long for things to start happening. Fish after fish started to come in, but I was really after one fish the whole time. One fish I hadn't felt on the line in a long time, and then it finally hit. See some carp jumping? Yeah, right there. So I hope we've got some smallmouth in here too. We'll start with this paddle tail, and we'll switch up to some other things too. We'll throw on this crankbait. This is just a cotton cordell, but with how many snags are just right off this bank, you really can't afford to throw anything more than a $4 lure. There is something. I don't know if that's a snag. Nope. Nope. There we go. Nice little smallie. Right in the top of the mouth. Barely hooked. Pretty fish. That was just right on there, hanging out. Big crow. And there were some smallmouth in here before the second round of rain came. I'll try the marabou jig here. I'll take it off again. I'll try the other side of the river. Oh, there's a fish. Off of the snag. Is that a largemouth? Can't tell, yeah. Nice. Pretty healthy fish. Never been caught before. We'll take it. And that marabou. Nice. He was right up shallow. Got time to fish that other side for just a little bit before I need to head back to work. So we'll hit that and see what we can do. back with the marabou. There we go. Just a little guy. I don't know if this is bigger. Gotta get the drag back. About the same size as, I think this one's a bit smaller than the one earlier. Pretty fish. See if there's any more. Just gonna bounce that on the bottom. Oh, yep, right there. I don't know if this is the same one. This one looks bigger. Oh, wow. This is species number 3 of the day. That is a big rock bass. Pretty fish. That might be my personal best. I don't have my tape out with me right now. Pretty fish. Healthy, fat. That's awesome. Trying to think what else is in this river that would probably bite on the jig. Crappie, maybe some walleye. Kind of bounce it around here, these rocks, where we got that other one to bite. There's a fish. Feels a lot better. Oh my goodness. That is species number 4. Was not expecting that. Oh, it has been a long time since I've caught one of these. Nice. Pretty walleye on the marabou jig. Species number 4 on the jig today. Let's get that out of there. Awesome. Good. Oh, 10 inches. Pretty fish. I was just out in there. I was pretty surprised to catch it that far off the bank.